Hello everyone, welcome to Java programming tutorials. Before we write our first Java program, we need to download the JDK or Java Development Kit, which helps us to compile our program. To download the JDK in your computer, go to the web browser and go to the following website: gava.sun.com. Now, look for Java SE in the download sections. Click on it. Now look for the latest version of the JDK and click on it and select it. Now accept the license agreement and choose between 32-bit or 64-bit variant and download it. After your download is complete, you will get a exe file. Run the exe file and install Java in the default location. Now after the installation is complete, go to the start menu and open the command prompt. Now type the following command: java c without spaces. If you get an error that this command is not recognized, this means that your computer doesn't know where Java is installed. So to solve this, open the file explorer, go to the location where you have installed Java, open it. In my case, I have installed it in local disk C inside program files. So look for the folder name Java. Now if you have something like JDK with the version name, this means that Java is successfully installed in the computer. Open it and go inside the bin folder. Now choose any of this exe file and get its location. Copy it. Now once again, go to File Explorer, go to System Properties. Now select Advanced System Settings. Now look for Environmental Variables. Click on it. Now give New. Give the variable name as path, PATH, and the variable value as the value we copied. Now click OK. Now again OK. Again OK. And close the properties. Now type the command GAVAC. Now go to start menu and open your command prompt. Type the following command once again: java c. If you get something like this means Java has been successfully installed and configured in your computer. If you have any queries or doubts regarding installation of Java in your computer, please leave them in the comment sections below. Please do subscribe to our channel for more videos regarding Java. Thank you.